Hi guys, welcome to SMC Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to participate in Keychain Testnet. So Keychain is a new blockchain project that's building really fast and affordable ways to move assets. So these guys have already raised $20 million plus 67% of their total supply is set aside for community. So you can do your own research on this project to know if it's something you want to jump on. You can check them out on X to see what they're all about. Now, before we jump into the tutorial today, for those of you that are just discovering us, SMC Tutorials is part of the SMC ecosystem. And what we do here is we make tutorial videos to help you navigate your way in the crypto space, whether you're a newbie or whether you're experienced. You can be sure that our tutorials will be helpful to you. So you can check us out on YouTube or the SMC DAO app and see what we've been doing, right? And for those who have been following us and you've been enjoying our content and our content have been helpful to you, you can support us by buying our educational token, WikiCat. WikiCat is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. The contract address of WikiCat will be in the description. All right, guys, let's dive right into the tutorial today. So first off, we'll launch Mrs. Browser. Okay, next we're going to visit Keychain Testnet. Paste the link and search. So how does testnet work is you earn Oro tokens, from completing tasks on the testnet, right? If you scroll down here, you'd see it says participate in the Keychain Oro testnet and earn Oro tokens for your contributions to the network. So the goal here is to accumulate as many tokens as possible because these tokens will eventually be converted to real tokens in mainnet. All right, so the first step once here is to connect your wallet. Select connect wallet. You will have to connect an EVM compatible wallet. So in this case, we'll be using MetaMask. Select MetaMask. Right, select connect. All right, so once your wallet is connected, select the wallet icon and then select add Oro to wallet. Okay, select add token. Select approve. All right, so once your wallet has been connected, you'll have to sort of link your email to your wallet. So select step 1, connect wallet. Then impute your email. Okay, select accept and continue. All right, so our wallet is connected. All right, so the next thing to do here is to connect our X. So select step 2, select authorize app. All right, so our X account has been connected. So once we're done with these two basic tasks, we can now move on to other tasks, right? So I'm going to switch my browser to desktop site so that we can have a wider view. All right, if you come down here, you see that there are a number of tasks to be completed, and they're like different categories of tasks. There are social tasks, there are on-chain tasks, and there are other kinds of tasks like Guild, Galaxy, and the likes. And you would see that there are rewards attached to each task underneath it here. And once you complete a task and the task is confirmed, you get the reward for that task. Like this, we just completed this task and we earned 2 Oro tokens. And if you check our dashboard, you see that we have 2 Oro tokens in our balance. Only a few tasks that rewards are not attached to them, like Guild tax, Galaxy tax, Premium tax, all of these tax do not have rewards here. You'd go, earn your rewards in their respective sites, right? So every other tax, or at least most of the other tax, have their respective amount of Oro that you will earn once you complete them. All right, so to complete a tax is pretty much straightforward. Just select the rectangular box, right? And it redirects you to the sites So just take it up from there, complete the task. Once you're done, come back here, check if it is confirmed. Once it is confirmed, you should see your rewards in your balance. All right, so we're going to do one more tax. We're going to do an on-chain tax, and we'll bring this tutorial to an end. So we're going to scroll down and we're going to swap. Okay, so we'll go over to Keyex and we're going to use the swap function. You don't need to worry about test tokens to perform this tax, because when we completed this first tax, we were given 5 key test tokens. So if you check our wallet, you'd see that we have 5 key in our wallet. So we'll be using this to complete the swap tax. So select start swapping. All right, next we'll connect our wallet. Select connect, MetaMask, connect. All right, so we're going to be swapping some key tokens for wrapped key tokens. Okay, so input the amount of key you want to swap. Say 1. And select wrap. All right, so we've successfully completed a swap on this DEX. So we're going to go back to our testnet. Refresh. So coming down here, so our tax is not yet confirmed. So you might probably need to give it some time to confirm your tax before you are rewarded. So if you're having issues completing a tax, you can refresh your browser or try some other time. All right, guys, so we've come to the end of the tutorial. Thank you guys for watching the tutorial video. If you have any questions concerning the tutorial, please drop your questions in the comment section. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on your bell so that you can be notified whenever we post a video. All right, guys, thank you for watching the tutorial video. See you in another tutorial. Bye.